Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. So today I am bringing you a Tati Beauty eyeshadow palette review. Look at how beautiful that is. When I first saw this initially when she launched it, I think it's almost like been 2 years now, I was so in love with it, but I didn't pick it up right away because I already had colors that were exactly what were in the palette. But I heard amazing reviews and, I just thought it was finally time to pick this up, try it for myself. And little did I know, 2 weeks after I finally decided to pick it up, she discontinued it. She's not going to sell it anymore she gave various reasons, but I was super surprised. I'm sure you guys were surprised. And I felt like whatever intuition I had that I needed to get this palette, or luck, it's luck. I got lucky that I got it like 2 weeks before she revealed to the world that she's no longer going to be selling them. So for a second I was like, should I sell this? Like maybe make a little profit out of it, but no, it was so beautiful and I'm so glad I got my hands on it. I'll go ahead and show it again. So here we go. There are 6 different shades with each of them having 4 different finishes. So up top here you see glitter, and then it goes metallic, sequin, and matte. So I really love that setup already. I think it's great for honestly anyone who likes makeup, whether it be beginner or makeup artist, because it has everything you need, and having those different finishes is really exciting. I really cannot believe that it's discontinued. Like what? So Tati, please bring it back. If we all go ask her to bring it back, maybe she will. I do know she has a lot of personal stuff going on, so maybe that's why she decided to stop selling it. She explained in her video, but I was just so shocked. I really want to see her succeed because I think she is such a great makeup artist, and I can tell she really cares about people. And I don't know, whenever I watch her videos, it's so soothing and I really enjoy it. I feel like she's kind of like a mother figure. So yeah, I still really like her amidst all the drama. Another thing I wanted to share with you guys is my background's pretty cute. I feel like whenever I make my background, I have to remember that it's only going to be right here and right here, because I get it so pretty sometimes and I'm like, oh, my face is blocking it. But I picked up this cute little Christmas tree from Target. I really liked how it was gold instead of bright red or bright green. I really like to stick with neutrals in my house, especially since me and my boyfriend are going to be back home for Christmas. So really no need to decorate, which kind of makes me sad because I'm really feeling like decorating, but I'm like, Sydney, you're not gonna put all this effort and pay to only enjoy it for 2 weeks. So that was one thing I decided to get. And then this candle, you can't see the flames, but this candle is burning right now. I'll include the name below. It smells exactly like a Christmas tree. It is so nice, and I just love smelling it. We have a fake tree in our house, and I just still love that smell of a fresh Christmas tree. And it's not too overwhelming. It's just the perfect scent. So I'll include that below. Got that from Target. And yeah, I just have my little Kim Kardashian perfume. This is one of my favorite perfumes. And then some flowers. So I thought that was pretty nice. So I'll stop babbling. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for clicking on this. I hope you're still here and stick with us to the end. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Thank you guys. So what shade should I go in with first? So I think the obvious choice right here is I'm just gonna start off easy and go in with this shade right here in the light brown section and just make that my transition shade. So going in with the transition shade, and I guess this one is called Soothe. Ooh, I like that. See, I really like her. I'm gonna bring that in the outer V. Keep in mind, I do have hooded eyelids. Not too much, but I do have hooded eyelids, so that's kind of why I'm focusing it over here. And then I'm gonna go up in my crease and just blend that out. This is looking really nice so far. I really like the pigment that it's giving off, and it's a really, really pretty brown. Honestly, just the depth of color that it's giving off is way different than any other eyeshadow that I've tried. If I'm having a day where I'm in a hurry or not wanting to apply dramatic makeup, I would honestly just leave it at this. Maybe put a little bit of that lighter color in the inner part of my eye and just call it a day. so far this is so pretty. I think this is going to be, I know I'm like already super excited, but just from what I've already seen, I think this is going to be like my new go-to makeup palette. I do want to try all of the finishes. That was the matte one, so far the matte is very nice. All right, so let's just keep it going. I'm going to go in with Ritual, which is the dark brown. I'm just going to layer that on in my outer corner there. And I think I'll go in with a smaller brush. I'm just going to start off with this smaller side of this makeup brush. Tap it a little bit in there and just press it slightly into the outer V. You guys, this is so pretty. I'm so impressed. I knew I was gonna like this, but like I really get what the hype is. And you know, if there's some rolling around on eBay right now, I would definitely go and pick it up if you do not have one already. I have no idea what the prices are running for. I'm actually probably gonna go and see how much they're running for, and if it's affordable, I definitely recommend getting this because it is so pretty. I'm just gonna keep it going. I'm gonna go in with the black and just put even less product in my outer corner just to deepen that smoky eye. I feel like blacks are always like a hard color to work with. I do notice that the other two brown shades I was using blended out easier, but I think that that's just like with any black eyeshadow. I think I'm gonna go back in with the dark brown and just add a little bit more. Okay, so far we've tried 3 matte shades, love them all, but we gotta try the other finishes. I'm gonna go in with the dark brown sequin color. It's called Ritual. I'm gonna go in with a brush like this and go into that color. Ooh, it has a lot of fallout. Okay, I'm just going to put that right next to the shades that we had out in the outer corner. All right, that's really nice too. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but it's just a slight little sparkle. I really like that because it's very, I got some fallout on my face. This one does fall out, so if you're going in with this shade or that type of finish, I would prepare for that. Sometimes, actually most of the time, I start with my eyes and then my face makeup, specifically for that reason. But it just gives a little tiny bit of shimmer, which I really like because it's just not too much. It's really pretty actually. Let's go ahead and do that on the other side. I'm going to go up to the next finish, which is metallic. It's interesting though because actually just looking at it, doesn't this metallic right here look different than all the other metallics? It kind of looks like the glitters, right? Just a random thing I just noticed. But I'm gonna go in with this metallic shade right here in the Soothe color. Again, just come a little bit closer in, maybe go a little bit on top of that last color that we put down. And I think I might get this one wet, you guys, because I want to see what it looks like wet. I'm going to use this little brush right here. I'm just going to give it some Fix Plus. Oh, you guys, that is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Do you see that? That is so beautiful. She really put so much love into this palette. She wanted it to be the best, you know, and you can tell that she put so much effort into this, which is why I'm super sad that it's not going to be available anymore. So next is what I think is the most fun part of this, is we're going to go into the glitters, and I'm going to go in with that same Soothe light brown glitter right there, And I'm going to go in with this one. Now, I don't know if you're supposed to get these wet, as I said, so I'm going to start off with it dry and see what happens. And I'm just going to go in with this little brush right here and give it a go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Do you guys see this? Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Can you guys see that? Is that picking up on camera? It better be, because this is like the coolest eyeshadow palette ever. And honestly, perfect for the holidays. This is such a holiday look. So that is dry. And just for the fun of it, I'm gonna get it wet with some Fix Plus. Let's see if we can make this even more intense. I hope it's picking up for you guys, but if it's not, trust me, this is like the prettiest thing ever. I have to try this light Aura, like light color here. And as I'm looking at it more, it is not stark white. It's more of like a peach, kind of like a peach white, whatever word that would be, whatever color that would be. But it still is a very, it still is going to be very brightening for the eyes. And maybe a stark white would be like too much. So I'm going to go in with that matte Aura color. I'm just going to go right underneath the eyebrows. It's nice. I was kind of hoping it'd be a little bit more pigmented. I think the last thing I'm going to do is go back in with the light brown matte shade and just put it in my crease just to blend everything out. Oh my gosh, I cannot speak. Just to blend everything out nicely. You guys, this is, I can honestly say this is the best eyeshadow palette I've ever tried. I feel bad because now it's not available. Like, go get those on eBay. I bet there's people selling them. It may be more than you want to pay, but I promise you, you need this. Oh, I think I just added too much transition color, but it's fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup here, and I will come back very shortly. It's gonna be edited, so honestly, maybe I can do like a fun transition or something. But I'm gonna apply the rest of my makeup, and I'm gonna come back with all my makeup done and reevaluate how I feel. I'm sure I'll still love it. So yeah, ready? We're gonna do a little transition. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. I'm super happy with it. Let's go ahead and move in a little bit closer. As I mentioned before, I do have hooded eyes, so it can be hard to see the eyeshadow. So if I let go like this, you can kind of see it a little bit better. But yeah, I really, really love it. Especially like the glittery shade and like how pigmented and rich the colors were. I'm obsessed. This is my new favorite palette. It's going to be hard to top this one. It is making me realize though that I need to be trying more eyeshadow palettes, because I look at a lot of them and I'm like, I already have this exact same color, but the formula and the like depth in the colors really do make a huge difference. And I feel so cute right now. I like cannot wait to go and enjoy the rest of my day. But yeah, if you guys can find this anywhere, I definitely recommend picking it up. I'm gonna go online right now, honestly, and see if there's any others, because this would be a great Christmas present for a makeup lover as well. So just a random thought to throw out there. Give this a 10 out of 10. Tati, bring it back if you can. If there's any way you can, that would be amazing. Okay, so without further ado, that concludes this video today. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you all next time. Bye.